Hello guys, welcome to the CSS Crash Course. In this video, we will learn about the CSS Important Declaration. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. The Important Declaration in CSS is used to give a style rule higher priority than rules applied to the same element. When you use the important keyword on a CSS property, it ensures that the specified style will be applied regardless of the specificity of other selectors or other rules. So in my index.html file here, I just have this h1 here. I'll go ahead and then define a paragraph here and then save. Now I'll create a style sheet quickly. So I'll just give it style.css. And then in my HTML document, I'll link it using the link tag and then save. So now in CSS, I can select my HTML paragraph element here and then give it a color of, let's say, I'll just select this blue color and save. And then let me just zoom in for you to see. So I've just selected this and then I've given it, let me just increase the font size to, let's say, 30 pixels and save. So we have this paragraph element here selected. Now when I go ahead and select this same element and then change the color to, let's say, brown and save, you see that the brown color gets applied. So we can use the important declaration or syntax to specify or insist that a CSS rule or CSS declaration should be applied regardless of its specificity or where it is declared in the style sheet. So if I want this blue color to be applied, I can go to this property here and then using the syntax exclamation important, so you can see we get auto completion, exclamation important and save. You see that now the blue color gets applied regardless of me selecting the paragraph element and changing the color to brown. So this is how we can use the important declaration syntax to what? Insist that a specific CSS rule or style should be applied regardless of the specificity of that element or rule or where it occurs in the style sheet. So I can come here and change the font size. Let's say when I set the font size to be 50 pixels and save, now the font size is now 50 pixels. But if I want to insist that this font size should be applied regardless, I'll just put the important declaration here and save, and then our font size is still what? 30 pixels. So that's it about what? The important declaration syntax in CSS. Now one thing you should note is that using the important declaration should generally be avoided whenever possible because it can make CSS harder to maintain and override. It is considered a last resort when dealing with specificity issues in CSS. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.